back to another video, guys. And today is day 2 for us, but it's the last day for SEMA, bro. Everybody's putting up. What's going on?
We're kind of late to the party.
We are. Now, SEMA started Tuesday. We have sent out the guys since Monday so they can set up the cars and the vehicles, the burnout trucks, the SEMA truck, the McLaren and everything. And it's a all-week event. You know, today is the last day. Yesterday was the last day for the Hoonigan, so we literally shut down the pit yesterday. Today is the last day for SEMA, so pretty much everybody's putting up already. We got the McLaren here that we haven't showed you guys yet. Now, you've probably seen that car already on the social medias, but you guys have not seen it yet on the YouTube channel, and we are going to show you guys today. Now, we started off with the 720S McLaren. And I said I wasn't gonna do anything to it. What happened?
Bro, you say that about everything. Like, next is probably the Escalade.
True. The Escalade is staying style. We're not doing nothing to it, all right? Maybe 10 and that's it. So we started off with a 720 McLaren. I did want to do an exhaust. I didn't want to do racing. That's what I said. I don't want to do a performance. The car's already a V8. It's a twin turbo setup. It comes like that from factory. It works fine. It has like a little over 700 horsepower on the car. So I said I was just gonna do the exhaust and maybe a drop kit. We did drop it. Maybe some ribs and stuff like that. Now we went to Visione and I did ask my boy Paul, see if we can hook us up with you know, a Ryft exhaust. And then that's when he came in and he was like, you know what? Ryft is doing 8 body kits in the whole world. It's gonna be a wide body kit for us, the McLaren 720. It's gonna be all carbon fiber, all that good stuff. They're barely gonna release it. Do you wanna be the first one? So we're like, fuck it, hell yeah, but shit, we wanna, you know, we're gonna have 1 kit out of 8 in the whole world, and it's gonna be something different that a lot of people don't have. Now, I'm not saying we are the only ones that have this kit. There are gonna be more people, obviously, but it's cool to see for the first time Ryft is doing a wide body kit, and that's when we decided to jump in board. So we hit up my boy Poppa exclusive for the paint. We ended up doing on the gas rate on it, just like the SEMA truck, and it's here. And the car is badass. It's really low. It's so low that we can't even drive it. I mean, we can drive it at rubs.
Yeah, but the guy was saying you can't even turn. It has no turn radius.
Yes.
But you're used to that.
Yeah. I mean, all the trucks, pretty much every truck at the shop, it's, you know, it rubs when you turn. But so we're gonna be driving the car out right now. But we're here at SEMA. I want to thank everybody for pulling up yesterday at the burnout pit. We had an amazing time. Big Larry did a fantastic job, which is, I don't know if it's Big Larry or Big Meech. We're still undecisive with those names right now. Takashi did badass, Little Yeezy did badass. The SEMA truck looks real nice at the JTX booth. That was yesterday. So yeah, right now we're gonna show you guys the McLaren 720 for the first time on YouTube. This is, are we gonna tell them how much it is?
The cost of the body kit?
Yes.
We can.
Okay, so this body kit goes for $150,000, and this is an all carbon fiber wide body kit. It comes with wheels, tires, exhaust, wing, everything. 150K. That's a lot of money, bro.
That's a lot of money. That could be a house in some states and cities in the hood, you know what I'm saying?
And it's out in Houston, bro. In South Houston, you can buy you a house, maybe 2 trailers or 3 trailers with 150. Well, it's 150, guys, but it's well worth it. It's badass. The car looks amazing. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, well, here it is. Badass car. The car came out amazing. Not what I expected. I mean, I expected it to be a little wider or whatever, but the whole car changed completely. It did a 180 change, right?
First of all, the car started gray.
Yes.
Now it's red.
Yes.
And it's way wider, it's way lower. The wings bigger, the exhaust changed, everything changed on the car.
Yeah, so let's talk about it right here. Now, we changed everything on the car. Every panel on the car changed. The only thing that stayed is literally the top part, the windows, of course. This is still stock. This is the original stock style, and this part right here inside. Everything else is aftermarket. Everything else is Ryft. So the fenders are Ryft. The whole bumper, the hood, this part right here changes. This part right here, this part, the quarter panel. You can see how wide it is right here. This is how it looks stock right here, and this is how wide it is. Now, I'm not sure what size of wheel in the back is. I think it's like a 21 by 13 or 14 in the back with that massive concave. You can't miss this big ass wing either. You got the nice little carbon fiber details there. Now, we left a little bit of carbon. Remember, this whole body kit is carbon fiber. Everything, every piece is carbon fiber. But we were the first one. This was 1 out of 8. There's another one already out, and the other one's all exposed, carbon exposed. So we decided to change the look on that. So we did it a better way. We added the on the gas rate on this one. So this one and the SEMA build is actually the same color. The exhaust changed. Of course, we got the 765 style exhaust, and it's all Ryft titanium. This is probably like a $30,000 exhaust itself, and it's all titanium. Everything carbon fiber in the back. This changed, this changed, this changed, the wing changed. All this change as well. Everything is carbon fiber. You see all the little details right there. The wing is carbon fiber. Just carbon fiber everywhere, bro. I'm tired of saying carbon fiber.
Yeah, but I mean, it literally is carbon fiber.
Yeah,
the whole body.
Give it a nice look over here. Now, we left the orange calipers just because the interior still has a little bit of orange. It still has orange inside. I don't know if I want to change out the interior. What you guys think? Let me know. Comment down below. Let me know if I should change out the interior. I don't know. This was like a special spec on the car with the orange interior. And of course, McLaren is orange, so it's only right to leave a little bit of orange. Now, the red does have a little bit of orange. If you put this red paint next to another red car, you can actually see the difference. It's more orangey than red. So I think it flows pretty good with the orange calipers, orange interior. And we're right here at Ceramic Pro booth. These guys, once again, thanks to Poppa exclusive, Visione, Pal, Michael at Ceramic Pro hooked us up here. Also, big shout out to my boy Chris, made it happen for us as well. We were able to bring the SEMA truck back to SEMA at the JTX booth, and shout out to everybody at Hoonigans for having our 3 trucks there in the burnout pit. So we literally have 5 vehicles here. Who would have thought we'd be here with 5 vehicles, bro?
Yeah, I mean, just 2 years ago, we were just spectating.
Yes.
SEMA. Now, we've been to SEMA 14, 15.
14, 15,
with
yeah,
one truck
with
back
one
in the
truck,
day.
With Lawrence.
And with Lawrence's truck and Tow Pig and everything with Nitrous Express. But now it's like we're invited to a whole new level.
Yes, this is a whole different level. So, I mean, we're truck guys, and I don't think we did too bad in the exotic game. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't think we did too bad. I think, you know, we did all right. So, hopefully maybe next year we can bring out another car, something more crazy, something more different. We met a lot of people. We made good connections. There's a lot of things to improve here that we can do better as well. So, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Appreciate all the love, all the support, all the good feedback, even the bad feedback. I'll still take it, you know what I mean? It's just part of the game, you know what I mean? You're on the social medias, you're gonna have people talking shit, and that's just normal. Give you guys a little bit more cinematics of the car, and then we're gonna be driving this thing out. Now, the car is really, really, really low. So, we're gonna see how that goes right now, and we're gonna have to put on the trailer and do all that good stuff. We're supposed to get some nice shots too, like a photo shoot, right?
Yeah, we're doing a video shoot today with a widebody Urus, all Ryft.
All Ryft, everything.
So it's a widebody Urus. It's going to be the other exposed carbon McLaren.
Okay, okay.
Our McLaren and a Senna.
Senna.
Yeah,
Damn.
McLaren Senna.
Nothing but badass cars.
Oh yeah, big time.
So,
and that's today. Tomorrow it's the jet hangar with the Black Hawk helicopter.
oh.
Yeah, so that's going to be pretty cool too.
Yeah. So, you get your car like this, and you get all kinds of invitations everywhere,
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
big time, yeah.
So, yeah. Can't wait to go to Chili's on this thing. I think this guy works here. You want to take a picture inside? It ain't gonna be a hole like that. Go ahead and sit down, bro. Take a picture. Take a video. Do whatever you want.
Drive the bitch.
I don't know about all that. No. It's different.
It was tiny. Jackknifing.
decided to leave a while ago. Went for a cruise on the strip. Came back to Tacos El Gordo for the first time. Actually went down, right? You liked them?
Good taco.
Well, I liked him. He good to go. And for the first time, we got the McLaren and the SEMA truck here right next to each other. So we need to find like a little spot where we can go and then do a little photo shoot and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Maybe right there in the hotel.
At the hotel in front of the Cosmo at the valet.
Yeah.
Park them next to each other.
Yeah. Car's a little low, it rubs a little bit. We're gonna have to, once we get back, you know, modify it, pick it up a little bit more, do the final touches on the car, and then we can actually take it out and go for a cruise. Right now we're on Vegas Strip. Nice weather too, badass. Right now we're fixing to go back to the room, change. We're going clubbing, right? Can we take a camera inside?
Man.
A GoPro?
A GoPro we can.
You sure? They don't, he's the media manager. Yeah. And then
Media director.
media director. Yeah. He's
Director of media.
Yeah. He's ready to roll, backpack ready to roll, everything. Got all the cameras there. So we might give you guys a little bit of the party scene. That's if we don't get too fucked up and forget about recording. So,
Security guard over here. Security guard.
we got the
Where's the strap?
media director, we got the bodyguard, then we got the goons. Yeah. So and then the guys, they're at SEMA Fest. We were supposed to go do some burnouts, but this stuff delayed, so we weren't able to do it today. I think there's another session tomorrow, so we'll be there tomorrow and give you guys more burnout videos on that. But right now we're gonna head to the hotel, so let's ride out.
What was that?
All right, guys, finally made it back to the hotel. We're here, actually, VIP park. We parked the truck on the other side over there, VIP. We got the McLaren here in front of those, these STOs. It actually looks good. This lineup looks badass. That's pretty much a wrap for today's video, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like, do all that good stuff, and drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think about the McLaren. I really like it a lot. It's 10 out of 10, right?
Oh, by far. The guys from Ryft, Visione, Poppa exclusive, they knocked it out the park big time.
In a matter of literally a week, got the whole car painted in a week, put it together in a week, and shipped over here to Vegas in a week. So big shout out to everybody that participated on the build. Poppa exclusive, Ryft, Visione, the guys for making the drive all the way to Vegas. And we'll see you guys on the next one.
Este vato corta la hierro en el shop, no mames.